going to make steamed rice cake. This is a very difficult cake, but I tried so many recipes. I failed and finally I succeeded. The consistency has to be spongy. This is our ingredients. We have rice cake here, rice flour, and we have sugar. First, we also have the yeast here. We have to dilute it in a warm water. And half a cup of sugar. We dilute it in the 1 cup of water. But we have to warm it in order that the sugar will melt. So we have to go to the oven and the stove. Just to melt the sugar, we don't have to boil it. Just to melt the sugar. See? It's all melted. Now this is good. We have to go back to our table. We have to mix it with our rice flour. We have to mix it thoroughly. We have to put gradually. We have to put the water and the sugar. See? Then we have to add the yeast with the warm water. It takes another, like maybe 3 minutes to mix it. See, there's no bump anymore here. Okay, that's good. We have to cover it up with a plastic. Okay. Sealed it very tight so that there's no air that could get into the mixture. Okay. Then we have to cover it with a cloth. And we have to put it in a secured place. This will take 2 to 3 hours. And here is the result of it. after 3 hours, you will find the difference. It has to be some bubbles. And you see, the flour is completely risen. So that we could put it in our baking pan. See, this is now it's completely spongy. We have to steam this for another, like maybe 25 minutes. Put it in our steamer for at least 25 minutes. And we have to cover it up again with a cloth plus the cover of the steamer. And now, I will show you the result of it. See, this is how it will look after steaming it for 20 minutes. Let's see what's going on here. Wow. Cut a piece. Wow, see? It's very, very spongy. This is how it will look. Let me taste. See? It's so good, it's so delicious. It's so sweet and it's so nice to eat. See, it's steamed rice cake. That's all, ladies and gentlemen. Please try it at home. If at first you don't success, you have to try it again. So good. That's all. My name is Stephen. Again, and please subscribe in my channel. Thank you so much.